Welcome to our channel Zama Cartoons. Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about 30 different snakes. Each snake is unique and special in its own way. Let's explore them one by one. Cobra. Cobra. Cobra famous for its head when it feels danger. Python. Python. Python, a very large snake that squeezes its prey. Anaconda. Anaconda. Anaconda, one of the heaviest snakes in the world. Rattlesnake. Rattlesnake. Rattlesnake has a rattle on its tail to make sound. Viper. Viper. Viper, known for its long, sharp fangs. Coral snake. Coral snake. Coral snake, very colorful with red, yellow, and black bands. Boa constrictor. Boa constrictor. Boa constrictor wraps around prey to catch it. King cobra. King cobra. King cobra, the longest venomous snake in the world. Green tree python. Green tree python. Green tree python, bright green and lives on trees. Black mamba. Black mamba. Sea snake, lives in the ocean and is very poisonous. Sea snake. Sea snake. Sea snake lives in the ocean and is very poisonous. Garter snake. Garter snake. Garter snake, a small and harmless garden snake. Milk snake. Milk snake. Milk snake, colorful and looks like a coral snake. Ball python. Ball python. Ball python curls into a ball when scared. Bushmaster. Bushmaster. Bushmaster, a very long viper found in the forest. Taipan. Taipan. Taipan, one of the most venomous snakes. Copperhead. Copperhead. Copperhead has a copper-colored head. Water moccasin. Water moccasin. Water moccasin found in water and has a white mouth. Sand boa. Sand boa. Sand boa, small snake that hides in sand. Crite. Crite. Crite very venomous and often black with white bands. Rat snake. Rat snake. Rat snake helps farmers by eating rats. Indian rock python. Indian rock python. Indian rock python, a giant snake found in India. Boomslang. Boomslang. Boomslang, a green tree snake with big eyes. Boomslang. Boomslang. Boomslang, a green tree snake with big eyes. Coachwhip. Coachwhip. Coachwhip, very fast moving snake. Hognose snake. Hognose snake. Rattlesnake has a rattle on its tail to make sound. Egg-eating snake. Egg-eating snake. Viper, known for its long, sharp fangs. Glass snake. Glass snake. Glass snake looks like a snake, but is actually a lizard. Tiger snake. Tiger snake. Tiger snake has stripes like a tiger. Rosy boa. Rosy boa. Rosy boa, a gentle snake with rosy colors. Great job, kids! You just learned about 30 amazing snakes and their special features. Subscribe our channel Zama Cartoons.